New day here in the shop. We are going to change the transmission in a 2003 Sport Jeep Wrangler. Anyways, today we are going to be pulling the transmission out of this thing. Last summer he broke the mount on the transmission, and it's just a stock transmission, stock motor. I think it's 4.0, pretty sure. It's got straight six in it, stock transmission, stock transfer case. I mean, this thing is pretty much stock, other than he did a triangulated 4-link in the rear, put I think it's a corporate 14 in it, and then the Dana 60 in the front, high pinion Ford Dana 60, 338 gears, lockers in the front. He's got a spool in the rear.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, Pete. Hell.
It's all stock. The whole Jeep is stock, minus the 1-ton axles, 43s, hydraulic steering. Like I said, it's a pretty damn capable rig. So anyways, what we're gonna do today is we are going to get my Jeep off the lift, because we were gonna start working on that, but we figured get his done first, and get mine off the lift and put this thing on there. That is gonna be our project today. Getting that up on the lift and start tearing into it, get the tranny out so we can swap out trannies, and we're probably gonna build a new transmission cross member, because that thing is basically hard mounted. I'm pretty sure that is why that transmission here broke off, because if it doesn't have a little bit of flex, if it can't kind of a little bit in the areas that you see this Jeep going, most people wouldn't even drive the places that this Jeep goes. They wouldn't even think about it. They'd barely walk in there. So, let's pretty much get this thing going and get her up on the lift. It's gonna be a fun day. got the drive lines out. That was an act of Congress, but we're there. So you can kind of see where it broke. Right up in this area right here.
Damn!
We're gonna try to put a piece of rubber right over this area so it flexes a little more. Maybe. I don't know. Gotta do something, because that ain't gonna work no more.
Well, duh.
As you can see, right up in there where it's starting to separate. Yeah. That's a good one. That's a little bit too much whiskey throttle there, Jordan. Little too much.
The skinny pedal is fun.
The skinny pedal is fun. Alright, we'll get back. So, we're pretty sure that the engineer for Jeep definitely overworked this one. Check this out. See that torque way up in there? Yeah. One way to get that is through the top of the transfer on both sides.
Yes.
They're nice.
Just get that at a straighter angle, that's right.
Super handy. Let me tell you, Jeep, you guys nailed that one. I don't know if you can see up in there. Where's the finger going? That's the bolt. I don't know what Jeep was thinking right there, but they dropped the ball on that just a little bit. That's it.
Yeah. Alright. It's gonna have one of those
And it's gotta have more of those. Man. Real nice.
Takes Jack this long to get the tranny off.
Well, shipping has hit us again. We ordered what was it?
NV3550.
An NV3550.
Got an AX15.
And we got an AX15 for the Jeep, which has a different bell housing. It's about an inch shorter.
Damn it, Kyle.
Got a smaller input shaft, smaller output shaft, and this one, it's about an inch. This is about an inch longer. So yeah, thinking it just ain't gonna work, so we gotta get a different transmission. So I guess this is gonna be about it. This is not a good thing. It's never good when this happens. So you just got a hold of answers. They're gonna get him the right transmission, and we'll probably be putting it back in by sometime next week, I bet. So anyways, I think that's gonna do it for the video. We'll like and subscribe, do all the little ding dong things that YouTube wants us to do. Don't forget, if you don't start a project, you can't finish a project. So get off your ass and go start a project. That was our project. We didn't get it done, but we got it started. Alright, we'll check you guys later.
Mm-hmm.